Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Assistant application in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for our Assistant app and how to turn it on. It should be turned on by default, but if it's not, we need to go to Settings, then Display. Next, in Navigation bar, we need to go to our Assistant app right here and tap to turn it on. What does this function do? We have a very short explanation here. Swipe inward from one of the bottom corners to open your digital app assistant. So it's this function right here. Now it's on. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.